Yo guys, it's TNN, and in this video we're going to unbox and review this smart bracelet, basically a fitness band. If you're interested in purchasing this, link to buy will be down below in the description. And what the hell, let's also give it away as well, so be sure to enter our giveaway. It's going to be an international giveaway for this bracelet. Link to the giveaway will again be down below in the description. Do not obviously break any rules, you know, do anything fake, because it's computer generated and we also verify it as well. So if we find out that it was a fake or you did cheat in the giveaway, then we will disqualify you. So don't bother doing that, there's no point. Just enter legitly and who knows, you could win. I know it's been a long time, you know, it's sort of been on and off with me right now. So that's what I thought, what the hell, let's just give it away. So like I say, link to the giveaway will be down below in the description. It is international and it is completely free to enter, so be sure to go ahead and do that. And if you're interested in buying this as well, link to buy will be down in the description as well. It is a really good price, so hey, what the hell. Here it is anyway. So it is the GPS type of fitness watch, so it tracks where you are, so it tracks your steps and your distance you've walked and everything. So it's really cool if you're into your fitness and gym and all that. I'm into that. I actually use one as well, so it's pretty cool. We do have a colour screen, USB charge, and it is IP67 waterproof as well. We've got a nice little etching of the actual watch or bracelet, whatever you want to call it. Smart bracelet, your private health manager. We've got company logo over here, Youngdo. We've also got some of the features back over here: built-in GPS, weather forecast, heart rate monitor, multi-sport mode, pedometer, sleep monitor. Tells you how many calories you burnt, how many distance you walked, call reminder, message reminder, a dial switch so you can change your layout, find phone function, music control, camera control, alarm clock, and what's that? Water reminder. So it reminds you to drink water. Interesting. The camera control isn't actually a camera on the watch. It's when you pair it with your phone, you can control the camera on your phone on the watch. That's what that feature is for. It does support iOS 8.0 and above and Android 4.4 and above, so basically most of the smartphones out there. Let's go ahead and let's pull this out of the box and let's see what we get in here. So as you can see, there's an M to be here, so no charger cable. The cable is actually inside of the watch itself, so I'll show you that in a bit. Just got some nice little cards over here just to say thank them. We also got our GPS manual as well, and again the manual will sort of go through how to use the app, how to install it. It is very simple. If you've got a QR code on your QR code scan on your watch, on your phone, all you can do, if you don't have it, you can just download it from the app store, scan this barcode, it will take you straight to the app, and then just download the app. Really simple as that. Let's check out the actual fitness band. Now here it is. It looks very sleek, fairly thick on the sides, but it's not too bad, and it has just powered on. The bands are quite nice as well, very soft material, soft rubber, feels pretty good. So how do you charge this? Let's move all this out the way and let's have a look at the actual watch itself, or fitness band. How do you charge one of these? So you basically, it's quite tight. It's gonna look like I feel like I'm ripping it apart, but I'm not ripping it apart. This is honestly how you do it. So you give it a lovely tug, and this side came out, but this side's not really meant to come out. It's supposed to pull out this side over here. So give it a bit of a tug, there you go. And as you can see, I've got a little USB over here, and that flashing over there is the heart rate monitor. It's just scanning my heart. But you see over here the USB, that is how you charge the device. So you plug this into a USB port, let's say into a power plug or into your computer or TV, whatever you like really. That is how you charge the device. It takes about a good hour to charge, and it lasts for a good few days as well, so it's not too bad. Pop that back in. It is very tight. I mean, if it was a bit loose, it would be quite nice. It is quite tight. Other than that, that's pretty much it really. Let's see and go through the features here, and I'll show you guys how to use the watch. Let's go back. Cool, so this is the watch face. Now this is one of many watch faces. Only one button here, just touch button over here. That's the only button you get. As you can see, it tells us time right now, 12:51. It tells me how many steps I've done today, which was 21. It tells me the date, and Friday 16th, 3:21:51. Also the battery over here. So how to go through the features. So if you press the button one more time and you press it again, you got your pedometer. If you press and hold, it selects, so press and hold. Now it selects, now it tells me how much I've walked, so 0.01 kilometers, how many calories I've burned is 0. And if you let the screen time out, it will go back to the home screen again basically. So press again. And then we got your notifications. Press and hold, it will open up your notifications. I don't have any notifications currently. Okay, again, we've got the heart rate monitor. If you press and hold this, it will start scanning your heart rate. As you can see, if you do have it on your wrist, it will start scanning your heart rate, and it is very, very accurate as well. So that's pretty cool. We can go ahead and stop that now actually. Next one is the sports mode feature. Tap and hold on that. We got walking mode, running mode, cycling, all the different modes here, hiking, sports, football, and you can quit. So let's go back. And then we've got settings mode or application mode. So you've got music, you can play music if you're connected to your phone through the Bluetooth. The only thing that I do find annoying is that right there, when you do time out, it really does time out quite quick. You have to go back to the home screen, you have to go through all the features again. That's the remote capture feature, date and time, GPS on and off, find my phone, reset, power off, and go back. And then that's pretty much it with all the features. Let me go through the clock faces as well while I'm at it. Let's go ahead and find that. Bam, bam, bam. Hold that. That's the clock faces there. So we got that clock face over here. And we got this one here. And this one here. That's third one. We got the fourth one. Fifth one. Sixth one. And we're back to the start again. So we've got 6 clock faces here you can choose from. And to simply choose one, you just pick the one you like. So let's go for this modern digital one here, and you just press and hold, and bang, that's your clock face now. So yeah, let's go ahead and pair my phone up to the Fitband. So I'm going to go ahead and scan this barcode over here, download the app, follow the step-by-step instruction, basically turn on your Bluetooth, connect to the phone through the app, and we should be paired up, and then we'll see what some of the features are when we're paired up.
Like water, you flow right through me and show my reflection. You will never let me down, let me down. You were always inspiration, awake this connection.
Your phone to your watch, you basically get everything after. So you get the weather functions, if you press and hold. You also get notifications on your watch, so any missed calls, any texts or anything like that, you get all of that. Hopefully you can also play music as well, so if you start playing music, you should be able to play music from the watch. So I doubt any of you guys are really going to sort of play music really. I mean, it's not going to be that loud and clear. So you can also play music. Well, let's go ahead and stop that actually. Only thing I find quite annoying is that you have to keep tapping the same button. And it's playing Queen. Okay, so you decided to play Queen from my actual phone. Let's try that actually one more time. Let's press play again. So there, it doesn't actually come out the fitness band. So if you press play, it will play from your phone. So it's basically controlling your phone. There you go. I better stop that, otherwise we're gonna get issues here from YouTube and copyright issues and all whatnot. So if I go back and press back again, it is really annoying that you have to keep tapping the same button. I mean, if they just made it touchscreen, would have been quite nice. Another feature is obviously find your phone. So if you ever lose your phone, press that, it'll start buzzing alarm off the phone. Another thing is obviously notifications. So all the notifications you get on your phone will pop up on here, and you can sort that out from the app as well. So on the app you get your own user profile, you choose your name, your goals you want to do as fitness. You can also do your notification settings. You also get software updates. So I was just doing a software update. These are notifications you can get, so you can set it on and off. So I want to receive email, Snapchat, Instagram, Skype, WhatsApp, also Facebook, SMS call notifications as well. So if I set that up, then the watch will start notifying me whenever I get those type of notifications. You can also check your data, so your daily, weekly, monthly and yearly fitness, your heart rate, your steps, your calories, everything will be on here. So it sort of tracks everything for you. If you're going to do a certain type of fitness, you can actually control it from the phone, and it will send all the information to the watch as well. So if you're going to do running for a little while, so you can put it all in on running for half an hour, start it off, and it will send all your information from the phone to the watch and from the watch to the phone. So it's really good if you're into your fitness here. As you can see, everything will be measured, your steps, your heart rate, your distance, calories, controls it all, and it keeps it all stored for whole years. The watch, I think it's pretty cool. Other than that, I mean, it's quite nice. I mean, the screen quality is quite bright as well. You can see it out in daylight. It's not that bright, but it is visible in daylight. And other than that, I think it's really good. It's strong, robust build. It is waterproof. It feels very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. Very lightweight, and it's easy to charge. Just pull this off. Don't lose any cables. It's literally just pull that. Just the only thing is that's a bit tight, but other than that, it's pretty alright. I mean, I guess after a time it probably would get a bit loose, but yeah, I think it's really cool. And for the price that you're getting, I mean, it's not bad. I mean, Fitbits and stuff, it does exactly what Fitbit does, but Fitbits cost a lot more money. So other than that, I think overall score I give this 8 out of 10. Yeah, 8 out of 10 it deserves. It is a really good device, and it's pretty accurate as well. I compared it with my Samsung Smart Health, and it was pretty accurate, the information that this gave out. So that's good. I mean, that's what you need, don't you? So overall score 8 out of 10. If you're interested in buying, a link to buy will be down in the description. Like I said, do enter our giveaway. Link to that is down in the description. It is international and it is free, so make sure you do enter it. And other than that, guys, hope you have a good one. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.